In the modern age of FPV and content creation, the need for a small, fast portable drone capable of capturing 4K stabilized video footage has never been more necessary. In the pursuit of this, EMAX has updated one of its proven platforms to meet the demand for this capability through the Babyhawk O3. In partnership with DJI, the Babyhawk O3 features a crisp 4K video feed with zero latency, enabling video capture in a variety of situations. Built into the DJI FPV system is rock-steady video stabilization, enabling smooth video recording straight out of the camera. Utilizing the most optimal power system for carrying digital video transmission systems, power-to-weight ratio and efficiency is achieved, pushing the barriers for long flight times with acrobatic capabilities. From cinematic flights through exotic locations to high-speed chases in action sports, the Babyhawk O3 has the ability to meet performance demands while retaining a relatively small size for portability and staying under 250 grams. Based upon Betaflight, an open-source drone operating system, constant new features within the community are added, allowing the Babyhawk O3 to stay up to date and relevant in the years to come. Being on such an open system allows a new world of customizability, encouraging filmmakers and content creators to adjust characteristics and features to their production needs. Adding modules like GPS, personalized lighting, and more are easily achievable. Designed into the Babyhawk O3 is optionally the new open-source radio system, ELRS. With a universal system, users are no longer locked to brand-specific radio controllers, but instead opens a new world in customizability for any cinematic needs. By utilizing ELRS, long range and signal penetration is achieved, while also allowing the potential for future performance upgrades, further future-proofing the Babyhawk O3 into a reliable cinema drone. The Babyhawk O3 offers an all-in-one 4K video capture experience with superior performance for a sub-250 gram class of aircraft, reinventing FPV for a new era.